Hey everyone, my name is Jeff. I'm with J&J Mobile Media. We are a digital marketing agency based right here in Central California. Subject for today's video is going to be how to add a custom YouTube tab to your Facebook page. And I feel like this is a really great idea if you are a content creator who publishes exclusive content to YouTube and you're looking for a new way to expose that content to a warm audience, to maybe get new potential subscribers and get more engagement over there on your YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to screen share and we're going to walk through how to do this. Okay, so I'm right here on my business Facebook page. Right here are the tabs that I was referring to, how to add a tab here for YouTube. So I feel like this is a really underutilized area on your Facebook page. There's a lot of real estate here that you can use to add really valuable information. So you can add a shop if you're in e-commerce. If you sell physical products, you can create offers. If you're a local business, you can create redeemable offers. You can add your photos, videos. Obviously, these are already going to be here at events, job boards, stuff like that. But you're really kind of limited to these unless you can figure out ways to add custom ones. And that's what I'm going to be showing you right now is how to add a custom YouTube tab. Let me just X that out. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is jump up here in the search bar and key in YouTube tab and hit search. Okay, scroll down and we're going to go to the YouTube tab page. And very simple, hit use app. And right here it says Facebook pages. You're going to want to click that drop down, scroll down to the page that you want to use it, that you want to add this tab to. In this case, we're going to add it to my business page. Add page tab, installation in progress. So just give it a few seconds. Okay, now it's going to take me back to my page with the application settings that need to be changed. So as you can see here, channel ID. Okay, so right here, you're going to want to put the URL of your YouTube channel. So in this case, I'm using my business. Already had it up. Just punch it in there. That's out of it. Header image file. So what you can put here is if you're using a premium paid feature of the YouTube tab, you can publish like maybe like your cover photo, your YouTube cover photo, and we just make it look better. But in this case, I'm doing a free version, so I'm just going to hit Save Settings, and you can see it's already over here. And it pulled in my YouTube content. So let's go back. So I'm on my home page. And right there, see, YouTube tab. Click on it. And hide that. Got my YouTube videos. So, it makes it easier for people to comment, share, things like that. So it's just, I don't know. I thought it was really cool. I think that it's something that maybe a lot of people would like to have, and maybe they just don't know that it's an option. Or maybe you do know that you can change custom tabs, or maybe you've wanted to change it to custom tabs and just never known, what to do. I mean, a lot of it's you don't know what you don't know. So in this case, it couldn't be more easy to add a YouTube tab over here onto the sidebar of your home, your Facebook business page. So anyways, like I said, I feel like you could get a lot of value from that if you share exclusive content to your YouTube channel that maybe necessarily you don't share to Facebook or you don't share to Instagram. Then this could be a good option for you. Let me just, there we go. Okay, so anyways, that's that. I hope you guys got a lot of value from that. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you receive notifications if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're on Facebook, please like and share and tag a business owner or a content creator that can get some value from this. So I'm going to leave it right there. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.